Beautiful 1-bedroom 1.5 baths on desirable first floor, with large enclosed screen porch, ceramic throughout, quiet 55+ community with 24/7 security guard. Maintenance includes basic cable, internet, water, pest control, and community with many amenities like heated pools, bowling, billiard, ping pong, basketball, tennis courts, gym, library, theater and many more actives, 1 parking space and multiple guest parking, no pets allowed, laundry machines inside building.